Hey guys, Clint here, working on my little redneck bicycle slash dirt bike. I'm gonna make it kind of like those little electric riders, you know, they go around, but this thing's gonna have a 30cc motor on it instead. And I was gonna put in my original pipe from here, but it's pretty weak, so I'm going chrome volley. It's a bit overkill for this, but it'll be safe, that's for sure. And he's not, yeah, it'll be strong. Alright, so there's my conjoining piece here. So it's just gonna sit. Alright, so yeah, we got the exhaust in for this sucker. It was cheap, it was like 30 bucks, I think, or not much. Anyway, I can put a link in the description. Cause yeah, you want something with an expansion chamber. That little exhaust on the strip whipper motor is a weed eater it came off of. So the motor I'm using is off a Echo weed eater that got ran over by somebody. It was in the dump, so I saved the motor. And yeah, I was like, yeah, I'll use it for something. So that's what my motor is off of. So I want a better exhaust so I can get some more go fast. So I got a little pocket bike exhaust for it. It has an expansion chamber even, so I'll show you here. Here's the box. And for the price of it, yeah, it can't beat Amazon. Pretty slick. Yeah, nice little expansion chamber. Okay, so this is what I'm using here. Motor drain cylinder, barely even see out of the exhaust. It's that plugged. You can't even see the exhaust. So then I'll take my plate to my stopper and then take my small gear to this, and then I'll have to still downsize it to that's the sprocket now on there. Got it welded on. Go figure. So I'm gonna have to turn it around. So that means the exhaust won't be at the front, which is kind of good. I like that. But I'm gonna have to hopefully get the cover on it too, which I'm hoping I can make something up to have the cover on it as well once I get the motor mounted. Short pipe on there now, and yeah, got the good old sprocket. I gotta figure out how to mount that on the engine, and then I got the rear sprocket welded on there, and I'm hopefully gonna utilize the guard even. Yeah, anyway, it's coming. Send it and save money.